Parang katawa. Oh. Ikaw nga, Scarlett, can you swim from there to there? Under the water?
Under?
Yeah, under the water.
Like down there?
Yeah, like Violet, you swim under the water. Yeah. Sige nga, kung kaya mo. Under the water. Oh, balik ka ulit, balik. You go back. Yeah, go back again.
You can do it.
Hmm. Your dad don't want you guys to wear the, what's that? What do you call?
Goggles?
The goggles. Your dad don't want you guys to wear goggles when you guys swimming.
Oh, wow.
I don't know why.
No.
Why? Oh.
Because he's very military.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. You don't need.
You can look under the water with your eyes.
Yeah, but it hurts our eyes and our eyes.
No, it doesn't.